Hi everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to add a texture in Pixlr. So first, go to Pixlr and select Pixlr Editor. Now click on Open Image to open your picture. Let's select this one, then click on Open. Now, go to this plus icon and select Image. Then select the texture and select the texture, then click on Open. Now, select Free in the aspect to stretch on your texture. Now, right-click on this layer and select Duplicate. Then bring it forward. Now, right-click on it and select Multiply and the Blend mode. Then, hide this layer and go to this tool here and select Magnetic. Let's select Arrange again to arrange the picture. Then go to this tool and select Magnetic. To select your shape or your picture. Now double click. Then you can make this layer visible. And go to select and select invert selection. Then click on delete. Select sorry, you should select this layer first. Then click on delete. Now you can delete this layer too. Just click on it and click on delete. Then right click or go to select first and select deselect. Then right click on this layer and select merge down. And that's it. Now you can click on this icon or go to file and click save to save your picture. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.